Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. This will help you safely handle the internal components without risking static damage. First, power off your HP Omen 16WF and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. This is crucial to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws securing the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and place them in a container to avoid losing any. After that, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back panel is removed, take a moment to clean the internal components with a can of compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, locate the lid sensor, which is usually situated near the hinge area. It is typically secured with a couple of screws, so use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. If you find it challenging to access, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, should you need further assistance. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the sensor from its connector. Make sure you handle the cables carefully to avoid any damage. Take your new lid sensor and connect it to the same connector, ensuring it's secure. Reattach the screws to hold it in place. If you're unsure about handling these parts or need tools, remember we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Once the sensor is secured, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on, ensuring that all clips are secure. Replace the screws that you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. Before powering on the laptop, double-check that everything is in place. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. Finally, power on your HP Omen 16WF and test the lid sensor to ensure it's functioning correctly. If the sensor is responsive, you've successfully completed the replacement. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.